Hey Lassamia students, I'm so excited to teach you our craft for this week. We're going to be making lizard keychains out of beads. So you're going to follow the template in your little baggie that shows you how to make this bright lime green lizard. I'm hoping that we'll all hang them on our backpacks, that we'll have matching keychains. It can be like a little Lassamia mascot hanging on our bags. So this is something that I did when I was younger. I loved making these. You can actually make all sorts of different patterns, but I chose this one because I thought that the color and animal fit our program well. So enjoy and we'll get started. Inside your activity bag, there is a small plastic bag with all the materials that you need inside. So there's the template for you to follow along with. If you're a sibling to someone else in Lassamia, it's possible that there will be a bag without a template. I'm hoping that you can share and follow along together. There's white string, 2 black beads, dark green and light green beads, and like the little keychain ring that you'll use to then be able to attach it to a bag. This is the template that I mentioned that you'll reference as you make your lizard. It shows you which color bead and how many of that bead to use. First, tape your clasp down on a table. This will help you have it sturdy where you can use both hands and pull your string tight. Fold the white string in half and place the folded part underneath the circle clasp and then pull the ends through the circle and pull it tight. This will be the start of your keychain. Then take your string and place 1 bead on it. Pull it all the way up to the top, and then with your other string, have it go through the opposite direction. When I pull it tight here, you'll see how it goes right up to the top and keeps both sides of the string kind of separated. And we're going to continue to do this to add more beads. So for the next one, you need to add 2 beads. So I strung both of them on. And then once again, I took the other side and had them go right through the middle of the beads so that the string is going the opposite way, making it a loop and pulling it tight. Looking at your template, you'll notice that the next thing you need to do is string on a black bead, then a green bead, and then a black bead. This will be your lizard's eyes. So string on the beads and then put the other string through all 3 beads and pull it tight. Continue to follow the template using what I just showed you, and now I want to show you how to make the arms. This is definitely the trickiest part. Notice how I strung all 5 of the beads on, but then now I'm only going to string the string through the 2 green beads, and I'm using the same string. So not the opposite one, but all the same string. And then I readjust the green beads to make them look like a little hand, but I pull it tight. You'll do the same thing on the other side. String on 2 light green beads and 3 dark green beads. Then you'll string that same string through the 2 light green beads and pull it tightly through to make the second arm. After making both arms, string on 3 lime green beads the same way that you did at the beginning of the project onto 1 string, and then you'll bring the other string through the 3 beads coming from the other end and pull the 2 strings tight. You can see what it will look like here, and then you'll continue on with the template. That's the hardest part. I included some photos of my progress as I followed along with the template. You'll notice that my tail is not quite long enough. I didn't give myself enough string, but I made sure that you had plenty. Make sure that when you tie the knot, you tie a couple of knots in really tightly because this string can be a little slippery. And enjoy hanging this on your backpack or some kind of bag. I hope that you had a lot of fun making it. This was a favorite childhood craft, and I hope that you will like it as just as much as I did.